Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to see how to enable multi-factor authentication for the users, because multi-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security during the sign-in process. So in this, the user need to add the details about their phone or email or app password, or it could be anything, so that their sign-ins can be secured. So let's see how to set up multi-factor authentication for one user, and how we can set it up for the entire users in the organization. So first of all, let's select one user, and for demo purposes, let's select this one, Elena. Okay, and I'll open this account, and let's scroll down. Let's open this manage multi-factor authentication. So let's open this, and this will open up a page wherein I could control that if I want to enable multi-factor authentication for just one user, or whether I want to enable it for all the users. So in case if you want to enable for all the users, what you can do is just select this, okay, and click on user MFA settings, and just click on restore multi-factor authentication for all remembered device. Then it will enable the multi-factor authentication for all the users. But this time we are trying on a particular user. So let's open that particular user, which is Elena. Right now, the status is disabled. The MFA is not enabled for this account, but I'm going to enable the MFA for this account. So I'll just select this user. I'll click on enable MFA. Okay. I'll okay, the MFA is enabled. So I just set up the information for this, and I'll refresh this. For that, you can see the status of this particular user, and let's open. Now you can see that the MFA is enabled, and I'll just configure the MFA details for this account. So let's open a new incognito window. Let's click on office.com, right, and sign in. So I will be signing in through this user, which is Elena Shepherd. Okay, hit next. I'll just enter the password. The password is entered. Okay, now it says that your organization needs more information to keep your account secure, and I will hit next to add the details. So the next window which we will see, it will ask me to enter further details to make my account secure. So let's see what are those details and how we can configure them. Okay, so let's wait for few seconds here. Now it is asking to configure the account in Microsoft Authenticator app, and it is asking to download the application on the mobile phone. So let's go to the mobile screen, okay, and let's download this application. So I do not have this application downloaded on my phone. Let's download it. Let's go to Play Store, and let's look for Microsoft Authenticator app, and let's install it. So meanwhile this is being installed, and we'll see. Okay, so we'll see how to configure it. Okay, so it says after you install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device, choose next. So this is getting installed, and it seems that it is installed. I'll just hit next. Now it says if prompted, allow notification, then add and select work or school account. Okay, I'll hit next, and meanwhile I'll just open the application. Okay, now it says scan the QR code. Use the Microsoft Authenticator app to scan the QR code. So let's scan the code. Let's accept all the things, and let's select this option. Even if you have username or password, you can just simply click on add work or school account, put up the details, and the account will be configured. However, I can see that there is one option more, which is scan a QR code. So I'll just select the scan QR code. I'll give the permission and I'll just scan the code. Now you can see the code is being scanned and the account is configured here. And if I hit next, okay, so I would see a prompt that the account is configured now, and I can, okay, now it's showing me a demo. So I'll just enter the details. Okay, now it's asking me to enter the phone password. Mm, okay, and it's done. It's approved. So the test is already done and everything is configured. Everything is successfully configured. I'll hit next and everything is done. Okay, now I can sign into my account. So that's how you configure an account for MFA. Okay. If you have come to the end of this video, Microsoft restrictions, we were not able to cover the Microsoft Authenticator app interface, and due to which there were some black screens in the middle of the recordings. And I apologize for that. But yes, in case you have any doubts, so leave your doubts in the comment, and I'm happy to help. And that's it for today's video. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button. If you have any doubts, leave me your doubts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.